Reversing an accidental wire swap at the thermostat or control board starts with methodical verification before you restore power. First, turn off all power to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system at the breaker and at any system switch to eliminate the risk of short circuits or component damage. Next, consult the equipment wiring diagram found on the furnace or air handler cover and the thermostat installation sheet so you can confirm correct terminal labels and functions rather than relying on wire color alone. Remove the thermostat faceplate and the control board cover, and trace each conductor to ensure it terminates on the same lettered or numbered terminal at both ends, noting any splices in junction boxes. If colors have been swapped, label each wire with masking tape and a permanent marker before disconnecting anything to avoid creating more confusion. When you reassign wires, connect one circuit at a time, tighten screw terminals firmly but without over-torque, and leave preliminary power off for a final continuity check with a multimeter set to the low ohms range to confirm no accidental shorts. After restoring power, run a system test using the thermostat to call for heat, cool and fan independently, and observe control board indicator lights and system response for any abnormal behavior. Common mistakes include assuming wire colors always match functions, which can cause incorrect terminal mapping. Fix this by always verifying terminal labels at both the thermostat and the control board against the wiring diagram. Another issue is powering the system while still swapping leads, which risks blowing fuses and damaging control boards. Prevent that by powering down the system at the breaker and confirming no voltage with a voltmeter prior to touching conductors. A third frequent problem is poor labeling after disconnection, which leads to repeated swaps. Solve this by labeling every conductor and taking a clear photo of the original connections before moving anything so you have a reliable reference. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work, focusing on practical project matching rather than pre-screening. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, troubleshooting wiring, and other common home project errors.